Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to remove ads from uTorrent. So as you can see there are ads here. So what you would like to do is go to Options, Preference, and you go to Advanced. Okay, so in Advanced you need to copy each one of these in here. I will add them in the description and you just turn them to false. So we'll do them one by one. Change them to false. I will add them in the description so it can be easier for you. This one is false by default. In case it is true, you change it to false. Why this one is not showing? Even if there are extra spaces, you might have to remove them. So you can find the option. You see there was an extra space, so we want to remove this. And set it as false. And then click OK. And as you can see, immediately the ad on the top was gone. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Please subscribe